I'll be showing you step by step. So now you can enable and disable location in Microsoft Edge browser. Um, this can help you protect your privacy, helps you improve your accuracy of location. And with Microsoft Edge, it can also help you for limit tracking depending on your needs. So enabling this or disabling it can help you to not to use your Microsoft Edge effectively, Microsoft Edge browser. So I'll be showing you step by step ways you can enable or disable this. Let's go to Microsoft Edge now. It's my Microsoft Edge browser. So you go to these three dots, then you see settings. It's about more tools. Now go down to settings. This is settings. This is settings. Then you go to privacy, or you click on cookies and sites permissions. So click on cookies and sites permissions. Then click on all permissions. Then from there you see location. Taking location, and click on this. So you see act before accessing it. So if you now right now it's turned on because it is enabled. So we will block if it's turned on. So there are two options: block or allow. So if I toggle this off, it's off. You understand? So the location is off. Your browser will not indicate what exact location you are. But if I want to turn it on, I can turn it off. And you definitely know my location is Nigeria. So it's that turn off or turn on. So you can either turn it off or turn off. So like off is block, then on it will allow you to access your location. So this is the steps. Remember, go to your settings, comes to cookies and site permission, all permissions, click on locations, then you have to toggle it off or on depending on your needs. If you want privacy, you can toggle it off to block it. Then if you want some limit stuff, you can toggle it off. If you want to enable, you can just toggle it on. So that's how you could easily enable, disable location on Microsoft Edge. This can come handy where you're working on something and you don't want them to really actually know your location. So like, subscribe, and for more videos.